A wood jointer has a long, flat surface bisected by a cutting head with a cast iron guide fence. As the wood runs through the jointer, the cutting head's blades remove a layer of the wood surface to create a perfect square. Instead of running a tool against wood like one would do using a hand planer, the wood is pushed against the tool with the jointer. In this video, we will show you guys the 7 best wood jointers you could buy now. All of their links are available in the description box if you are interested. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 7. WinJT630H 10A 6-inch Spiral Benchtop Jointer. The WinJT630H 10A 6-inch Spiral Benchtop Jointer is for those new to jointing or who only need one for a few projects a year. WEN is a great choice that won't break the bank. Similar to higher-end benchtop jointers, this has a 6-inch wide blade powered by an impressive 1.5 horsepower motor. The large, easy-to-grip knobs adjust the blade depth from 0 to 1 by 8 inches. The Win's jointer includes an ample 30-inch table length that's broad enough to provide a comfortable workspace for newbies. The adjustable aluminum fence measures an ample 19 to 3 by 4 to 1 by 4 inches and can bevel up to 45 degrees. A spring-loaded blade guard and 2 push blocks are nice safety features to keep less experienced users' hands away from the blade. The spring-loaded blade guard helps protect against accidental injury, only exposing a limited section of the cutter head during a joint operation. Number 6. Portacable PC160JT Benchtop Jointer. The Portacable PC160JT Benchtop Jointer is versatile and effective for all your woodwork projects at home. This is a perfect jointer for facilitating all your DIY woodwork projects. This sheet metal material allows a variable speed of 6,000 to 11,000 RPM, which enables the worker to choose depending on the hardness and size of the wooden board or the material being worked on. It features a dual knife head which makes the adjustment and replacement of the knives very simple. The inbuilt cutter head makes it easy to arrange the knives according to your preference. 2-knife cutter head, with jack screw knife leveling arrangement and built-in cutter head lock, allows easy knife replacement and adjustment. Jointer is ideal for edging, flattening, or face jointing. The head is large, which provides work support, and the surface can be stocked up to handle 6-inch boards. Number 5. Wahuda Tools 50180cc WHD Jointer. The Wahuda Tools 50180cc WHD Jointer. Most benchtop jointers feature a 6-inch 2-sided cutting blade adequate for most home woodworkers. Wahuda Tools takes it up a notch with this 8-inch helical-style 4-sided blade. With its wider cutting edge and spiral shape, this blade removes wood more evenly and leaves a smoother edge than standard 2-sided blade jointers. An 8-inch blade doesn't mean much alongside a small work table that can't support larger pieces of wood. A longer benchtop takes away the portability of a benchtop jointer. Wahuda solves this dilemma with rollout extensions that expand this jointer's benchtop from 34 to 51 inches. The Wahuda jointers are powered by a 120V motor with a fixed 12,000 RPM. They can handle edging, jointing, flattening, or tapering. The jointer weighs in at a portable 60 pounds. But the all-steel and cast iron jointer doesn't skimp on quality. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN CMW020 Benchtop Jointer. The CRAFTSMAN CMW020 Benchtop Jointer is impressive. Its powerful 10-amp motor can make up to 22,000 cuts per minute, which is plenty of power for both softwoods and hardwoods. A variable speed range of 6,000 to 11,000 RPMs allows users to control the blade speed for optimum performance. A large aluminum fence tilts up to 45 degrees to provide plenty of support while cutting. Transporting a jointer to a work site or even from a storage shelf to a workbench can be difficult, as some models weigh up to 80 pounds. Though with 2-knife cutter head, with a jack screw knife leveling arrangement and built-in cutter head lock, allows for easy knife replacement and adjustment. Jointer is ideal for edging, flattening, or face jointing. The CRAFTSMAN's benchtop jointer weighs in at a manageable 40 pounds. It can handle boards up to 6 inches wide and features a sturdy 32-inch long work surface. Number 3. WinJT833H 10A 8-inch Spiral Benchtop Jointer. The WinJT833H 10A 8-inch Spiral Benchtop Jointer, most 8-inch jointers, typically designed for pro shops, cost thousands of dollars. While the 10-amp motor won't rival those of industrial-grade jointers, it provides enough juice for most home woodworkers. It measures 33 inches long but can reach 51 inches with the help of extenders, which allows DIYers to use bigger workpieces that demand an 8-inch blade. As with Win's 6-inch jointer, this model features a spring-loaded blade guard and push blocks for safety. Adjust the in-feed table to remove 0 to 1 and 8 inches of material with each pass, with a reliable depth of cut scale for maximum accuracy. The spacious table measures 33 by 8 inches, with support arms extending up to 51 inches for longer workpieces. Bevel the fence up to 45 degrees to create angled cuts along the faces of your boards. The fence bevels up to 45 degrees. Number 2. BOSCH PL2632K. The BOSCH PL2632K features a 6.5 amp planer and 16,500 RPM speed for fast stock removal and smooth finish in soft and hardwood. Weighing only 6.3 pounds. This wood planer provides power and efficiency in a lightweight tool. This electric planer is the first ever power tool to have ambidextrous lock-off release button to help avoid accidental starts, plus a lock-on button for extended operation. It features a spring-loaded stand to elevate tool and protect blade and tool resting spot. The PL2632K thickness planer offers a special shape allowing for easy entry in middle of workpiece. The aluminum front and rear shoes are precision machined together for accuracy, and the tool has a machined groove for chamfering and sanding. The versatile two-blade hand plane system can be converted for use with large high-speed steel blades. Optional accessories required. Number 1. Shop Fox W1876. The Shop Fox W1876 will square up edges with the spiral-type cutter head with HSS indexable inserts. A spiral-type cutter head allows smoother finishes, quieter operation, and less maintenance compared with straight knife cutter heads. The 12 high-speed steel HSS inserts sit square to the axis of the cutter head, with the cutting edges perpendicular to the workpiece. Each two-sided insert can each be rotated once to expose a new sharp edge. The knob adjustable in-feed table with lock provides ultra-precision cutting depth adjustments. The W1876 also features an inch and metric cut depth indicator and an ease to adjust extruded aluminum fence. This is a lot of jointer in a small package. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding dimension. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.